MSI MPG 271QRX, a 27-inch QD-OLED gaming monitor, offers 360Hz refresh rate, infinite contrast, and 0.03 milliseconds response time for demanding gamers. Known for its exceptional image quality, this screen is aimed at demanding gamers looking to combine performance, fluidity, and immersion. The promise is simple: an ultimate gaming experience with an incredible refresh rate of 360Hz, infinite contrast, and a response time of just 0.03 milliseconds. So, is this really the ultimate gaming monitor for this year? Stick around until the end to find out. Don't forget to check the link in the description for special deals and the latest prices. Every purchase through this link helps the channel. The design of the MSI MPG 271QRX follows the style of the MPG series with a look that's both sleek and functional. The QD-OLED panel is surrounded by extremely thin bezels, maximizing the visual immersion. The back of the monitor is dressed in a sturdy casing that houses the electronics as well as a passive cooling system featuring a graphene heatsink to cool it effectively without a fan. This choice helps avoid noise, which can be quite bothersome for gamers. When it comes to support, MSI has chosen a hexagonal base that provides good stability while allowing for full ergonomic adjustments: tilt, swivel, rotation, and height adjustment. The monitor can be used in portrait mode, which is perfect for creatives working on documents or vertical images. The RGB Mystic Light backlighting, located at the back, adds a touch of customization and can be synced with other brand equipment through the Mystic Light app. It's an aesthetic addition, sure, but it will appeal to fans of personalized gaming setups. Under the hood, the MSI features a third-generation quantum dot OLED panel made by Samsung Display. With a resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels, this screen aims to offer a perfect balance between definition and performance. The 360Hz refresh rate is one of the highest on the market, surpassing the majority of current gaming monitors, even when compared to high-end LCD models. MSI offers HDMI 2.1, USB-C, 90W, USB-A, 120Hz on PS5, Xbox via HDMI 2.1. USB-C charges laptop, minimalist video setup. It's fully compatible with next-gen consoles like the PS5 and Xbox Series XS, allowing you to enjoy refresh rates up to 120Hz via HDMI 2.1. Plus, the USB-C port can power a laptop while providing ideal video transmission for a minimalist setup. The screen supports two HDR certifications: Display HDR True Black 400 and HDR 1000. This translates to exceptional image quality with brightness peaks reaching up to 1040 nits on small windows, providing an immersive HDR experience. The color coverage is impressive, with 153% of the sRGB space, 98% of DCI-P3, and 96% of Adobe RGB, ensuring rich and accurate colors even for creative work. In practice, the MSI MPG 271QRX turns out to be a versatile monitor, perfectly suited for both competitive gaming and creative use. The almost instantaneous response time of 0.03 milliseconds eliminates any motion blur, making the experience particularly smooth in fast-paced games like Valorant, Overwatch 2, or Rocket League. The tests show a significant reduction in input lag, measured at less than 1 millisecond when using an HDMI connection, and with almost imperceptible latency via DisplayPort. For HDR gaming, this screen also shines thanks to the deep blacks provided by OLED technology. The contrasts are striking, giving a real sense of depth in games like Cyberpunk or Ratchet & Clank. The HDR 1000 mode allows you to enjoy maximum brightness in small areas, which is great for bright details, while the True Black HDR 400 mode provides a more natural look for dark scenes. However, it's worth noting that the overall brightness may seem lower than that of LCD screens in very bright environments. Additionally, the OLED technology can show a slight purple tint in dark areas when there's direct reflection, a phenomenon seen in several recent OLED models. In terms of competition, the MSI stands up against models like the Alienware AW2725DF and the Asus ROG Swift PG32U CDM. Compared to the Alienware, which has slightly better HDR management, the MSI offers a better bang for your buck, especially when you consider advanced features like the USB-C power delivery port and the built-in KVM switch that lets you connect multiple devices with a single keyboard and mouse setup. When compared to high-end LCD screens like the LG Ultra Gear, the difference is striking. OLED technology provides infinitely better contrast and faster response times. However, LCD screens still have an edge when it comes to maximum brightness and text sharpness. One thing to keep in mind if you're planning on doing a lot of office work. Compared to ultra-high-end models like the Asus ROG Swift OLED, the MSI MPG remains competitive, especially for its price. Where Asus offers 480Hz refresh rates, the smoothness gain over MSI's 360Hz is only noticeable for very demanding esports players. In conclusion, the MSI MPG stands out as a top choice for anyone looking to invest in a high-performing OLED gaming monitor. With a 360Hz refresh rate, exceptional color accuracy, and a well-thought-out design, this screen combines everything you'd expect from a high-end product in 2024. It's perfect for competitive gamers, but also for those looking for a versatile solution for creative tasks like photo editing or video editing. While full-screen brightness isn't its strong suit, the image quality is unmatched, and advanced features like the KVM switch and USB-C port make it even more appealing for those looking for a comprehensive display. In short, for a price around €800, the MSI MPG is a great deal, especially compared to competitors that are often more expensive for similar performance. The link to learn more is in the description, so take a look if you're interested. Every click and purchase through this link supports the channel, and I really appreciate it. Don't forget to leave a comment to share your thoughts, give a like if the video was helpful, and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon. Bye-bye.